equal okay, dy by dx, I can say e power x. So this is what I was asking. What is the derivative of e power? The answer is e power x. Okay? So let's suppose we have okay. Tell me what is the derivative of x? What is the derivative of x? What is the derivative of x? Can you hear me?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was asking what is the derivative of x? What is the derivative of x?
2.
Okay. What is the derivative of x? Look at the d by dx. What is the derivative of x? 1. You forgot. Derivative of x is 1. I think you forgot. What is the derivative of x? Over here is power 1 and 1 here. 1 times 1, 1 x. So 1 minus 1. So what is the derivative? X power 0 and x
1.
power 0 means 1. So derivative of x is 1. So over here, we multiply by 1. Okay, we multiply by 1. That is why this is okay. The the derivative of e power 2x is the derivative of e power 2x is uh, x is x, but 2x is 2x, but we will also multiply by 2. Okay, we will also multiply by 2. So what will be the derivative now? 2 e power 2x. We multiply the derivative by the power of derivative of the power in e power in ln in the function of exponential. Okay, so this is kindly note down because this is coming in today's lesson, e power x. Okay, now I'm writing one question for all of you. This is exercise 14.1, question number 4. A curve. You have to write the question so that we can remember. As equation y is equal to 5 e power 2x minus 4x minus 3. So a tangent to the curve at the point 0, 2 is the x-axis at the point A. Find the coordinates of A. Now I hope you remember last class as well. and you must be knowing about the tangent to the curve at the point 0 comma 2. Do you remember? So please tell me how to do this question. Anyone?
Sir, first we'll take out the derivative.
First we take the derivative, then then yes, Ibrahim Munshi, welcome in the class. Kindly note down this previous lessons differentiation, that d by dx e power x is equal to ex, and d by dx e power 2x is equal to 2e power 2x, because the derivative of exponential function is the same, e power 2x, so e power 2x, but after that we will multiply the power derivative of power. So what is the derivative of 2x? That is 2. So that is why I have written 2 here. Okay, student, keeping in mind the last lesson that we have done related to tangent, equation of tangent, equation of normal. So the same thing is here. So Jarsa, you were saying that we will find the derivative first. Okay, then the next step, Jarsa, or anyone else remember? Yes. Yes, Urushma, were you in the last class? Yes, Urushma, were you there in the last class? Can you hear me?
Was absent in the last class.
I could not hear properly.
I was absent in the last class.
Okay, so what is the Jarsa? You according to you that we will take derivative of this. So what does it mean? A tangent to the curve at the point 0 comma 2. This is just recalling of the concept. Only the difference is we will take the derivative of this function, but the other things are same. Okay, Jarsa, what is this? A tangent to the curve at point 0 comma 2 means x. So when the word tangent is coming, so what do we think about it? When the word tangent coming?
Sir, a line.
Yes, a line. Okay. For example, for example, this is a graph. For example, this graph is okay, but this is e power x, so graph should be like this. A graph should be like this. For example, the graph is going like this. For example, okay, this is y. Right? Okay. Now they are saying tangent to the curve. For example, this is tangent. Okay. No, no, they are saying tangent to the curve. For example, the line is intersecting the tangent here. This is the point where the line, for example, this is the point of tangent. A tangent to the curve at point 0, 2. So I can say 0, 2. So let me draw over here. Over here, 0, 2. Do you know 0, 2 is where? Where is it 0, 2? On y-axis.
Yes, sir.
So what we do? Meets the x-axis. It is also intersecting x-axis. Look at this. I'm going to draw a rough diagram. Maybe it is intersecting x-axis at positive side. But for the rough diagram to understand, this is A. X-axis intersecting x-axis and also tangent. So first of all, what we are going to do? We are going to find the equation of tangent. Okay. So do you remember what is the equation of tangent? Can anybody tell me? Hurry up. I'm writing. Student, over here the math pad is not coming. So let me share the screen again. Wait, just wait. Okay, you please start the work. You please start the work. Find the equation of tangent. What is the equation of tangent, Hamza Zafar? What is the equation of tangent? Now you can see the screen. Do you remember? Look into your copy notebook. I have written like this.
Y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1.
Very good. Is equal to m. M mean gradient. Some people write like this, dy by dx. Some people like this. So you can do this. But it means gradient. So gradient x minus x1. Ibrahim Munshi, are you getting the concept? So this is the equation of tangent. I'm writing over here equation of tangent. So for this equation of tangent, we need derivative. So how can we find the derivative of this function? Y is equal to, okay student, y is dy by dx, dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Now tell me, what is the derivative of 5e power 2? As I told you, the derivative of e power 2x is you multiply the derivative after that. But remember, this constant is multiplying. So I write my derivative like 5 e power 5 e power 2x. I think this is the question. Yes. 5 e power 2x. Now I multiply by 2. Why I am multiplying by 2? Can anybody tell me? Why I am multiplying by 2?
Derivative of x is 2.
Yeah, derivative of 2x is 2. Very good. And then what is the derivative of 4x? 4?
4.
Okay, good. Now what is the final derivative of this? Dy by dx is equal to 10. Can I write 10? 10
Yes,
e
sir.
power 10 e power 2x and then negative 4. Okay. Now this is the derivative. Okay. This is the derivative. And they are saying we have to find the coordinate of A. So this is a derivative of this, but and then I will substitute over here. But can anybody tell me how can I find the uh, equation of this derivative now? Can I input this 10x over here, complete 10x over here? What can I do now? How can I find the proper derivative? This is in terms of E. But this tangent, we have to find this derivative at this point 0, comma 2. This is the derivative of this function. But I'm find the derivative at the point 0, comma 2. Look at this. A tangent to the curve at the point 0, comma 2. So now if I want to find out the derivative proper, so what is the value of x? What is the
0.
value of x? Yes, in this function, I will substitute the value of x. Okay, now I'm going down. Now I can write 8x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Now what will happen? 8x is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to 10 e power 2 and bracket 0 and then negative 4. Okay, next one. Next step. Any number power 0 is equal to any power 0 is equal to what?
1.
1. So can I write 10 minus 4? So what is 10 minus 4?
6.
6. Okay. Now we have find the derivative. Now we will use this equation, equation of tangent. So we will substitute values here in equation of tangent. So y minus y1. So what is y1? Can anybody tell me what is y1?
2.
Yes, this is 2. And x1 0, because we are finding the derivative over here. So y minus y1, y minus y1, so y1 is 2. Let me write over here for all of you so that you can understand. If I write 0 comma 2, because at the point of tangent I can say x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So be careful. So y minus 2 is equal to, what is the derivative? M.
6.
6 in bracket x minus x1. X minus, what is x1? 0.
0.
Okay. Now student, y minus 2 is equal to 6x only. 6x. Okay, can I write the proper definition of this equation? Y is equal to 6x plus 2. Okay. This is the equation of tangent. Now you people know the coordinate geometry very well. Now this is the equation of this tangent. We have found the equation. How this line is going up. This line equation is y is equal to 6x plus 2. Now this line is intersecting this one. Can anybody tell me the coordinates of A? What are the coordinates of A? Because it intersecting x-axis.
So y
What
will
are
be
the
0.
Yes, Hamza?
Y will be 0.
Y will be 0. Very good. So coordinates of A, x is x, x is x. Whether it will come negative or positive, I will not. I will only write x. Automatically, my answer will come. So now we have to find the coordinates of A. But I know the y is 0, but I don't know what is x. So what will I do? Can anybody tell me now?
Substitute 0.
Very good. Substitute 0 in this equation. 6x plus 2. I will substitute here. Y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 6x plus 2. So student, can you directly tell me the answer? Can you directly tell me the answer of this?
Minus 1 upon 3.
Minus 1 upon 3. So please write your answer. And now I'm giving you another question. So minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3. So now what is our answer basically? Our answer is we have, because we have to find the coordinates of A. The coordinates of A are minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3 comma 0. This is our answer, student. Hope you got this concept. Abdurrahman, you are very late in the class. All right, student. Hope you got the concept. And now, dear students, have you written as well, so that I can give you another question?
Yes,
If you
written.
have done, all students have done. Ibrahim Munshi, have you done? Hello, Ibrahim. Where are you? Ibrahim, are you there in class? Okay, Urushba, hope you got the concept.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm giving, get ready with the next question now. Next question. Okay, before going, okay, I write the question, then you come to know. A curve has equation. Now you have to do this question, okay? Y is equal to x e power x. Okay, and now a part. What is a part? Find in terms of e equation of normal. Equation of the normal to the curve. At the point e 1 comma e. One comma e. This is the first part, and second part. Find in terms of e. Sorry for this is b part. Okay, let me write b over here, and then I will write a part. Don't worry, make it b. Okay. Find in terms of e the coordinates of the stationary point on this curve and determine its nature. And that is B part. And now I'm writing C part. So one by one, you people start working. You start doing part A. The normal at P meets the x-axis at A. And in terms of area of triangle OAB, where okay, C part I will do with you. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just do A part and B part. Okay, for doing A and B part, I will let you know the some techniques. Should I do you want should I give you a hint, or you will be able to do this by yourself? Yes. Yes, you will do, or should I give hint? Okay, student. Have you started? Part A. Remember, there are two expressions multiplying x and e power x. So, do you know the derivative of product? How can we find the derivative of product expressions?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember product rule?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I'm giving you u is equal to x and v is equal to e power x. Okay. Now, what is product rule? What is product rule? U multiply by v is equal to u prime v function plus v prime u function. Do you remember? Do you remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now apply this formula. The answer will come in terms of e, because they have not given us any point on the curve. So they are saying find in terms of e the coordinate of stationary point. Okay, for stationary point, what we do? Can anybody tell me for stationary point? What happened when stationary point? If I want to find out the stationary point, what can I do? Derivative should be equal to
0.
0. When derivative is equal to 0, so in that case you will be able to find the stationary point. Okay. Now this is the concept of related to point number 1 in terms of the coordinates of the stationary point. Find the derivative. Okay. After finding derivative should be equal to 0. Okay, student, hope you are getting the concept. Okay, student, tell me what is your derivative? When you found the derivative, so what is your answer? Yes, dy by dx is equal to. Okay, student, what is the derivative of this? You multiply product root u prime. So what is the derivative of u? U prime v, u prime. Yes, student. You can write u prime v plus v prime u. What is u prime? Hello, can you hear me? Yes, Jersa, have you found the derivative? What is u prime? What is the derivative of x? 1 and multiply by derivative of v. U prime, we have found 1 and v. What is the function of v? E power x. We write as it is, e power x. And then plus, and then v prime. What is the derivative of v? E power x. The derivative of e power x is same, e power x. Okay, and multiply by u. So what is u? That is x. What is the next step? Yes, student, the next step. dy by dx equal to e power x. Sorry. Okay, e power x plus. Okay, if I multiply this x e power x e power x. Okay, what is the next step? dy by dx is equal to. Okay, at stationary point we have to find out. So when we find stationary point, the derivative should be equal to 0. So I have written derivative is equal to 0. So e power x this should be equal to 0. Okay, the next step. Now we have to find the value of x. We have to find the stationary point, coordinate of the stationary point. Now derivative is equal, it is equal to 0. So now how can I find the value of x from here? Yes, student. How can I find the value of x from here? Yes, Hamza Zafar.
We take
Can we take? Yes.
we take e power x as common.
Common. So 1 plus x is equal to 0. So now over here the value of x would be 1 is e power x is equal to 0 and 1 plus x is equal to 0. So when I write 1 plus x is equal to 0, so what will be the answer? Yes. What is the value of x?
-1.
Next, -1. Now we find the value of x -1. Okay, now the value of x is -1. So now we have to find the coordinate of stationary point. So I have found the coordinate. I have found the coordinate of stationary point, but I just found -1 x, but I don't know what is y. So what should I do to find y? In the function, I will input the value of x. Okay. So now substitute the value of y in that function. y is equal to x e power x, x e power x. Now substitute values over here. X is equal to -1, and tell me what is your answer. Yes, substitute value. Yes, substitute please. -1 e power -1. Okay, so y is equal to, can I write minus, can I write minus
No,
1 upon e? Can I write this? So student, now this is my the value of y minus 1 upon e. This is stationary point. This is my answer, that this is stationary point I have found. Okay. Now in question it is written, find the stationary point on the curve and determine its nature. Do you know what does it mean by nature? Nature means what?
whether it is minimum or maximum.
Very good. Whether the function is minimum or maximum. So I can write for nature. For nature it means we want to know maximum point or minimum. So how can we know that that point is maximum or minimum? We
By
learn in the
finding the second derivative.
yes. So second derivative, we will find second derivative d square y y divided by dx. If second derivative is greater than 0, what does it mean? What did it mean? Minimum point.
Yes, sir.
And if it should be, it is less than 0, then
Maximum.
point is maximum. Now student, you have double derivative. You have derivative of this function, that is you have derivative is, this is derivative, single derivative. Okay, now I will paste over here. Now you have derivative, this is, we have the derivative of the function. Now I will find double derivative of, means derivative of derivative. So d square y divided by dx. You can also write in numerator like d square y upon d. It's the same thing. Okay. Now what is the derivative of e power x? Now I'm finding derivative of derivative. So this should be double derivative. So what is derivative of this?
Sir, ex will remain ex.
No, the derivative of e power x will remain e power x. Now I have to find the derivative of x e power x. So what is the derivative of this? You have already found, because in question
E
it is
power x
written,
plus.
yes, because in question e x power x. So e power x derivative is this complete one. So yes, Salar, what were you saying? The
Sir, e
derivative,
power x plus x e power x.
yes, plus x e power x. Now this is your time. Please do it. Hurry up. This is your time. Find double derivative. Find it and tell me. Hurry up and tell me whether it's maximum or Yes, student, now tell me what is your answer. Hurry up. Yes, student, time is short. Hurry up. What is the next step? Yes, please. Hamza Zafar or Salar. Salar is there. Salar is
Yes,
not there. So Hamza Zafar. Yes, Salar, please tell me the next step of after this.
sir. 2e power x
The next is 2e power x. Then
plus x e power x.
okay, next step.
Sir, then we will insert the value of x minus 1.
Okay.
That is 2e power minus 1
2e power minus 1. Then
plus minus 1 multiplied by e power minus 1.
okay, when you have to find, you have to find the answer in terms of e. Okay, double derivative. We will just find whether the double derivative is less than 0 or greater than 0. So the next step, please.
2 over e
2 upon e. Then
plus,
plus
yes, minus 1 over e. Then we can also write it 2 minus 1 over e.
minus 1 upon e. Okay. So final answer will be 1 upon e. You are talking about this one? Okay, tell me 1 upon e is positive or negative?
Sir, positive.
1 upon e is positive. So greater than, it is greater than 0. So we can say the point is minimum. This is our answer. Okay, hurry up, students. Do this. And what about the second question? Equation of normal. Please do equation of normal. The question has already been written for you. Question is already being written in terms of E, the equation of normal to the curve 8.1 comma E. So first of all, we already know the derivative is there. In that derivative, equation of normal. What is the equation of normal? Yes, student. Equation of normal. Please check in your notebook. Y minus y1. Y minus 1, y1 is equal to reciprocal of derivative minus 1 upon m. The same thing, but derivative should be reciprocal. X minus x1. This is the equation of normal. And you already know the derivative of the function. We have already found the derivative of function, that is e power x plus x e power x. So this is our derivative. We have already found this derivative, but we have to find equation of normal 8.1 comma e. So we have derivative, but now we have, what about this 8 1 comma e. So student, now it's up to you. Now you, what will do, you will substitute the value of 1 over here, and answer will come, your derivative will come in terms of e. So that derivative should be input here, here, okay. And then what is the value of uh, that derivative should be here, and y means e. So instead of y you have to write e. y1 x1. Okay, and I also write over here what is x1 and y1 when they are saying 1 comma e. So what is doing? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to mean x1 or y1, that is e. X1 or y1, x1 y1. I think I did not write y1 over here at the top. Let me check in that equation 0 comma 2. So x1 y1. So we should write x1 y1. Okay, it means x1 and y1. x1 y1. Okay, so this is the concept that we are doing. Okay, student. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 to 10 minutes to find the uh, coordinate equation of normal to the curve at point 1 comma e, and then we will talk about the point C, part C as well. Okay. Yes, your answers, please. Yes, please, your answer so that we can wind up our class after doing part C. Yes, have you input and find the equation of normal? Yes, Hamza Zafar. Can you hear me, Hamza Zafar?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer? Kindly check your answer as well.
Minus x plus 1 all over 2e minus 2e squared.
Have you checked your answer is correct? So student, if you input these values, if you input the x is equal to 1, x1 1 and y1 e, so you will get this answer in this equation. Okay, and if you put one derivative over here, so what you will get the derivative? What derivative you will get? 2e, right? The derivative will come
Yes, sir.
2e. Okay, your derivative is coming 2e dy by dx. After input, going to input the value, you will get 2e. All right, 2e. And now the equation of normal. If you input this in equation of normal, so your answer would be y minus e. Y is equal to y minus e is equal to minus 1 upon 2e. Bracket x minus 1. I hope all of you got this answer. Okay. Now the third part. Be careful and you have to please respond me. The normal P meets. Now we have equation of normal. This is going to meet x-axis and y-axis at A and B. Okay. Now this equation is going to meet an x-axis. Okay, student, can you tell me at x-axis what are the coordinates? What are the coordinates at x-axis? And we have coordinate A. At x-axis, you know, x is x and y is 0. What? Got it? At x-axis, x is x and y is 0. And at y-axis, B point is B. X is 0 and y is y. So this is the important thing that we consider. If I want to find out the point A, so in this equation I will substitute y0. So then I will get the value of y, and then I will substitute the value of x0, and then I will get the value of y. So student, hurry up, find the coordinates of A and B. Hurry up. And after that I will explain how to find the area enclosed by these lines, as the question is saying that find in terms of E the area of triangle. This is a triangle and O is origin. Hurry up, please tell me the coordinates of A and B, and kindly respond in the class, because this is very serious class. You are going to appear for the examination, and you have to answer me quickly. Abdurrahman Kashif, where is Usman Kashif?
Sir, he is with me.
Okay, student, tell me the coordinates so that I can tell you how to find the area. Hurry up. Student, tell me the answer because time is very short now. Tell me two coordinates. Hurry up. And other student will match these coordinates with others. Hurry up, please. Hurry up.
Sir, at A, x equals to 1 and y equals to 0.
Hamza Zafar, tell me what are the coordinates of A coming?
1, comma 0.
1, comma 0. What about other student? Please verify this point. And Hamza, what is Y?
Sir, y is 0.
Y 0.
Yes, sir, at point A.
Hello, Hamza Zafar. 0 in question. Look at this. In question, it is saying 0 is the origin. So when Y is also coming 0, comma 0, so 0, and O is also 0, comma 0. How can we find the area from this triangle OAR? OAB will be a triangle. Yes, Salar? What is the value of y? Please tell me. And O is the origin. Origin 0, 0. Please check again what is the value of y. In this equation, when I substitute the value x0, so what will be the value of y comes? Beta, you have to find the answer in terms of E. Look at this, the
1 over
question.
2e plus 2 square.
Look at this. Find in terms of E the area of triangle. It means you tell you answer of x and the coordinates of x, A and B will be in terms of E. Yes, Samza Zafar, please. Any other student? It is very simple to substitute these values in this equation. You just have to substitute. Yes, please. When you input y is equal to 0, so what comes? Hurry up. Yes, Salar. What is your answer? Please participate in class on time. Jarsa, what is your answer? And remember this one also. Read this question very carefully. The normal at P meets x-axis. Okay. So P, so at P is 1, 0. So please note down one point over here. P at P. Be careful about it. At P 1, E. A normal which is passing through point 1 E. This is the pure coordinate geometry concept. Okay. The normal which is passing through P also meets coordinates x and y, x axis and y axis. So we have one point as well. We have one point of the equation as well. That is 1, E. Okay. Okay, student, just consider, you remind in your mind the coordinate geometry. For example, if I give you one point over here, for example, if I give you this 1, E, hope you will understand by this way. 1, E. This is the equation of normal. For example, this is normal, and equation is this given to you, and this is also passing through 1, E. So in x, in the value of x, you will put the value of, in this equation, if you put the value of x, okay, so you will get the answer of y in terms of y only. Okay. in terms of in this equation, if you input x1 and y so what will happen? This will be proved that this equation is passing through this point because this is normal. Okay, kindly participate in class, and if you are unable to understand any problem, unable to understand any concept, please ask me. Don't sit quiet in the class. This is the last part I have given to you. Okay, let me explain in more detail. Okay, look at this. This equation of normal, is also passing through x-axis and y-axis. So this point is x-axis. Let me this point x-axis at A. Just consider this is A and this is B, and you know this is O, and it will be right angle triangle. Okay, it will be right angle triangle. And when we formula for the area, to find the area, what will I do? Area is equal to half into base into height. So student, what can I do now? Now you tell me. This equation, this is point P, and this is the equation of normal, and this is normal passing through P. Use your concept of coordinate geometry and then tell me what is your answer in terms of E. Okay, what is your answer in terms of E? Students, where are you? Please reply my questions. Time is very short. Yes, Jarsa, Hamza Zafar, Salar, Ibrahim. Please tell your answers. Are you awaking?
So it's going to be A upon 2.
Which one, Hamza Zafar? E
Area.
upon 2? Area is E upon 2. But okay, you have found the area. Is this the correct answer? Hamza Zafar, you first tell me the coordinates of A and B. How can we find the area of A and B?
So coordinates of A are 1, comma 0, and coordinates of B is 0, comma E.
1, 0.
Yes,
But
sir, at A.
Hamza Zafar, one. How you are getting 1? Because we are all getting our answer in terms of A, in terms of E. So A should also be in terms of E or not?
Yes, sir,
A
but
will.
B is also in terms of E.
So how would you find the base then? When you
So
have
base is
coordinates of what is base?
1.
But Hamza Zafar, your answer is not correct. The reason is you did not find properly. Tell me, okay, show in chat box, uh, send the picture of your work where you find the value of A and B. Jarsa, you can also send the picture in the chat box. Salar, I want to see your working. Hurry up. Hamza Zafar, I have seen your picture in chat box, but you have not mentioned how to find the coordinates of A and B. Kindly show me that working. Salar, you also please. And Ibrahim Munshi, please send your working in chat box. Yes, please hurry up. I'm waiting for your answers. This is just algebra. Okay, student, now you are taking too much time. I'm going to finalize this concept. Look at this. If I input the value of x, y0, then what will I find? Look at this. The final thing is, okay, now look at this very carefully. When x is equal to, when y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means I am going to find the coordinates of A. Then A will be x comma 0. Now I will input the x value of y0 in this equation. Look at this. Okay, now I'm going to input the value of y0 because I want to find the coordinate of A, y0. Can anybody tell me the next step of this? What is the next step? Minus 2e square.
Minus 2 square, yes.
Yes, minus 2e square, then minus
Minus
x plus 1. So what is the value of x here? What is the value of x here? 2e
2e minus 1.
2e. No, I just substitute over
Plus 1.
there, so it will be plus 2e square plus 1. Okay, now I have the coordinates of x. So now I can write over here 2e square 2e square plus 1 comma 0. This is the coordinate of A. Okay, these are the coordinates of A. Okay, now what about B? Oh, student, what about B? Now I will substitute. Okay, now I will substitute the value of okay. What will I do now? When x is equal to 0, when B, the coordinates of B, x0 to 0 comma y. Okay, now student, I'm going to find. Now I will, in this equation, I will substitute x0. So y minus e minus 1 upon 2e. Now I substitute the value of x0. So 0 minus 1, so it will be minus 1. Yes, next step. Next step, student. What are the coordinates of y? What are the coordinates of y? 1 upon 2e plus e. So if I take LCM, if I take LCM of it, so what will be my answer? Can I write my answer directly?
So 1 upon 2e square all upon 2.
2e square plus 1 upon 2e upon 2e. So, sorry, plus 1 upon student 2e square plus 1 let me write it separately. Two e square plus 1 upon okay y is equal to 2e 2e square plus 1 upon 2. I don't know why they are giving me. It is not giving me. Let me write with my marker. Okay, the value of y would be, the final value of y would be equal to y would be equal to 2 2e square plus 1 upon 2. So what are the coordinates of B? These are the coordinates of A, and the coordinates of B are
So
0,
would it be
comma,
2e in the denominator?
oh, thank you, 2e. So 2e square plus 1. Okay, now student, this is B and this is A. So the coordinates of A would be the base and coordinate of Y should be the height of the triangle. So now we will apply the formula for triangle. Okay, now I am going to apply the formula of triangle, area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base. What is base? The coordinates of A. So can I write 2e square plus 1? This is base. And what is height? The coordinates of y height. So this is 2e square plus 1 upon 2e. So student, what is the area of the triangle now in terms of E? A is equal to, if I multiply two brackets, these two brackets are same, 2e square plus 1. So may I write like this? 2e plus 1 whole square. Can I write like this? And upon 4e. It can be multiplied. This is the area of triangle in terms of E. And student, this is our answer. Is there any problem you student don't having? Please ask me right now. Hurry up. Hurry up, student. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, so Hamza Zafar, can you tell me what we have learned today in the class? What are our learnings today from the beginning? Yes, Hamza Zafar. What are
Today we
our,
have learned
yes,
how
from
to
the beginning?
today we have learned how to differentiate different components like equations, and we have revised the concept of coordinate geometry in this class. Yeah, that's all.
And Hamza Zafar, explain the learning you have done till the last point. Next one, hurry up. Salar, can you explain? Can you tell what you have learned in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Explain one by one till the end. I will scroll down the page for you.
Uh, with the first question, we want to know how to find a equation of the tangent by first finding out the derivative of the equation of the curve, thereby inserting the values, and then getting the x and y coordinates, and then formulating the equation of the tangent. While in the second question, we were able to find the equation of the normal to the curve in terms of t. We were also able to find the stationary points and also to determine its nature, whether whether it is minimum or maximum points. Mm, we also find the area of the triangle with the help of the equation of the normal by inserting the values by inserting the values of the a and b, and by constructing a triangle on the graph, and then determining and then finding the area of the triangle.
Very well explained, Salar, and very well explained, Hamza Zafar. So, students, this is the way that we learn. Okay, now what is your home learning? Home learning exercise 4.1, you have to do complete exercise. This is your home learning. Please write down in your notebook and take care, student. Hope today's class was very informative and healthy class for all students. So, inshallah, we will see in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.